I'm basically, I left that job and now I'm starting a new life, a new chapter in the book. And it's like, no, let's LFG, let's go. And I
Exactly.
love this.
Drop retirement completely. Make a choice. Choices have consequences. Make a choice. I'm not using retirement anymore. I'm refired. People hear me
Yeah.
say it all. People will say, I have guests on the show that say, the refirement zone. So the refirement zone is that space. And to answer the question, yes, the refirement zone is for everyone. It
Yeah.
started off for people that were in their midlife circumstances
Yeah.
to senior. I had four sections of life, and I'll share this with you. And it goes from like this: from birth to about 17 is your youth. From about 17 to about 30 is young adult.
Mm.
From 30 to about 65, 75, sometimes 85. People have changed me on this.
That's a big gap.
It's a big gap, but
Yeah.
that's your middle living. Okay. Middle living is that big chunk in between. You've already finished like the college thing. You're like in your 30s and you've got this middle living thing starting and you're really going with the career and the kids and all this stuff. Okay. You get in the middle living thing. The retirement zone was more designed for the middle living people. And then you have superior seniors.
Mm.
When I started the whole thing, it was from 70 up. Then people were saying there's people are 75. Now you got lifters and people doing stuff 85, 90 years old.
Right.
I mean, it's the sky's the limit with that one. But it's setting up some demographics, but that's what it was designed for at first. But then I realized when we flipped the Boomer's Rock to my name, and I had friends saying, Tom, we love your show, but we're not boomers. So we can't identify.
Mm.
That's when I knew I had to do something. And that's when I realized that the retirement zone can apply to everybody. So when you refire, you can refire the next day and have a better day. Let's just think of a refiring mindset. So, but for what I originally thought of it is like the choice of retirement, go over there, sit down, rest, which is great. No, again, no offense. Or refire, go into Quinn's world, go into Tom's world and do your passion play because you earned it.
Yeah.
Listen, everybody, you earned this time. You raised your kids, you did it right, you paid your bills, you did all these things. Take advantage of this time and give back to the young people. Let me tell you one thing, young people need us more now than ever. When I wrote the Generation Us book, it was like, I thought I knew these young people. I'm on a college campus for my whole, most of my career, and I'm out there all the time. And it's like, I think I know these young people. I got kids. I don't know diddly crap. I mean, these
Mm.
kids, but they need our input because they're so good on technology and the phone, but they don't have the interpersonal skills. And that's
Right.
where people kind of hung up with, well, they're so much smarter than me, or they don't want to. You know what, everybody? It goes both ways. Absolutely goes both ways. I have so many. You guys, anybody listening to this thing, just go to my Instagram, go to my Facebook, go to my YouTube, and you'll see episodes where I've recorded with college students, many that I've done, and look at and listen to these students who are coming up. All their stories are different. They all have a compelling why, and it's like, and they're all badasses. It's like, how do we get these kids and their secret sauce and what their parents did? So that's a thing about transfer of knowledge and helping people. Again,